So if you're new to the channel, a couple of years ago, I lived in like a nice house. We put a big extension on the side, skylights. I had a double garage with 2 sets of French doors. It was literally a lovely house. Now, unfortunately, just over a year ago, I had to sell that house. So I've lost my garage. I had a lovely garage with 2 Cosworths in. I've had to sell a Cosworth. So I've bought a new house, and this is it. It's an ex-council house. So let's take you outside and I'll give you a tour of the house before I do any work. Right fellas, so this is the plans with the house. I'm going to start with the garage. I'm going to put in for pre-planning, which is basically to say, if I put in for planning permission, will it get accepted? So we're going to go all the way. We're going to have a garage door from the front of the house to here. Hopefully I can get rid of this fence and we'll use the garage wall as like a border, like the border line. So that's the plans for the garage from the front all the way to the back garden. I'll take you in the back garden in a minute, I'll show you in there. But come in, excuse the washing on the radiators. Come in. Right, so this is the first door you come to. This is my downstairs cupboard. It's got the boiler in, got the outgas meter, it's on pay-as-you-go. I need to get that sorted out, but got an old fuse box. I'm going to have to change that because that looks a bit janky and dangerous, so I'll get that replaced. All jobs to do, right? We'll go in the front room. So, front room, I've ordered a settee. Right, so this is the front room. I've ordered a settee that's coming in about a week. I was planning on ripping everything out, doing a full rewire, putting a log burner in, but to be honest, I just want to be in the house, so I'm going to paint the walls, get my settee in, get a telly up. If anyone has, so I want a motorbike for here, right? I want a motorbike for here. So if anyone's got an old Ducati with a knackered engine or something that'll sit nicely in here, drop us a message on Instagram. I'll leave the link below. I'll show you the kitchen. Put the light on. This is my kitchen. I've just ordered, got a new washing machine there, new fridge freezer. Little cute one. It's like something out of one of them camper vans, but does the job. Get me chicken nuggets in. Plans are, I'll maybe paint these doors. I don't know yet. I don't know what I'm going to do. Probably does really need a kitchen at some point, but to fancy it up a bit, maybe put some oak worktops on and change the tiles. We'll see. Change this bench, put a little island there. Maybe get a bigger freezer underneath. We'll see. Right, back garden. So, this is the plans, right? The garage is going to go from the front of the house, there, all the way along, right to the back garden. I should get 3 cars in. So we'll have to get rid of all this pond and that, but like the garage will be a funny shape. It'll kind of come along, go down, round. So I have to pull that tree down. It also came with this shed. This will come down eventually. I'll get some more garden space. But when I moved in, the lad was like, so the garage, so the shed is still full of tools. And when I came to see the house, the lad was like, do you want the tools or do you want us to take them? And I says, leave everything in the shed and I'll have a look around. It's like, it's just full of the most random stuff. Like I say in this house, kid, my God, is that like a gun off the army or something? Do you know what I mean? But it's got like a shovel in, like a foldable shovel. Oh, I'll put the light on. So it's got like a foldable shovel. I don't know what it's for, but it looks like it's got an army issue. It's got like a recce number and that one, and it's just full of random shite. Like I've had a bit rummage around. There's some just tools, like there's some cool pliers and just bits and pieces that he's left. There's like knives, do you know what I mean? And pliers and snips, tape measures, just loads of like stuff he just didn't take. The George Foreman grill there, he even left us a little grinder. That'll come in handy. Loads of wall plugs and screws. Absolutely ideal. It's also got a fridge that's in the middle of being cleaned because it was a bit gross. So it's full of bleach at the minute. But yep, that is the plans. Big garage. Get rid of the shed. Get some bifold, some big doors on the side of the garage. Right, back in the house. Oh, it's also got a blossom tree. Back in the house. Right, through to the bathroom. The bathroom's downstairs. It has got an upstairs. Yeah. Right, bathroom. Obviously toilet, sink. Cool bathtub, it's got the jets in, got a built-in shower. Quite small, but does the job. Do my business in there. I've already christened it, I've had a poo. Right up the stairs. Oh, I'm also thinking of taking this banister off. We'll see. Like literally I just got the keys 2 days ago, so I don't know what I'm going to do. Right, come with me. I'll show you up there in a minute. That's one of the cool parts. This is the spare room. Undecided what to do. I was debating putting a workbench in and some like toolboxes underneath. I don't know. Any ideas? Leave some in the comments. Upstairs toilet. I've also had a poo in there. Fully christened the house. This is going to be my daughter's room. Get a double bed in. There's a double bed next door that was left with the house. I'm going to use that. So this is probably going to be my room. I'm in discussions with my daughter whether or not I can have it. But it's got an old set of wardrobes. I'm going to take them out later on. Because I mean, you're not going to put your clothes in there. It's a bit minging. I'll have to plaster behind. I'm going to have to go plaster myself. Never done it before. Cross your fingers for us. But I'll have to plan for the bedroom. Just take that old janky wardrobe out. Right. Now, up here. This came with that. There was no pictures of this. You're hiding. There's no pictures of this on the listing. But it came with a loft. It's all done out. It's got spotlights in. Flick the switch. You see it's got spotlights, it's got the skylight in. So I think what I'm going to do is, right, so the plans for here, right, I'm thinking, if I put a project, I can't take this post out because it's holding the roof up. So I think I'm going to put a projector on here and project it onto this white wall. Get some nice settees behind this post and just kind of make it like a nice chill out movie room. Got like a little fridge and that up here, but that's the plans. I hope you enjoyed the house tour. If you want to follow along, don't forget to subscribe, and if you've got any ideas, leave them in the comments. But cheers for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.